Hey, second graders, how are you? So we are adding big numbers and we are having some of the ones add up to more than 10, and sometimes the groups of 10 add up to more than 10 groups of 10, which is 100. And we're having to regroup them. And so we started out using this so you could see what that looked like changing them out. But we also practice just on the board. So today we're going to do it without this and see if we can still understand what to do. All right, so I'm going to give you a problem. Okay. I'm going to put it on here. You're going to practice some in your class. All right, so we have this. 264 plus 37. Where do I start? Always in my ones. 4 plus 7. Well, I know what it is. Maybe you don't. I'm going to start with the bigger number and count on. And I'll draw 4 dots for the other one. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I can't write 11 here. I had to change out the 10 and put it over here in the tens place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. It's like a little slot. They have to stay in their little spot like that, okay? All right, so now I'm going to add up the tens. So this is 10, this is 60, and this is 30. So 10 plus 60 is 70, and 70 plus 30 is 100. Oh, no, not again. So this is 100, so I have to move it over here. It can't be over here, 100, no. So I have 0 tens. Let's have 100. So I put it over here. 1 plus 2 is 3. So I got 3 hundreds, no tens, and 1 1. 301. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. This is a lot. 439 plus 488. What if that was money? $439 plus $488. You would have so much money. Well, we don't know what it is. They didn't tell us. So we have to add the ones. We're going to start over here at the ones. 9 plus 8. Well, we can do it one of two ways. We can count on from 9 and count on 8. Or we can think, 8 plus 8 is 16. And what's one more? Oh, 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. So here's the ones, 7 ones, and the group of 10 is going to go over here because it has to be in the tens column. Right now we have 10 plus 30, which is 40, and 40 plus 80, which is 120. Well, we can keep the 20 over here. Well, we have to take the 100 and put it over here. 100 plus 400 is 500, and 500 plus 400 is 900. $927. Wouldn't that be great? You want to do one more? Let's see. Why don't we do this one? Let's see. Yeah. 534 plus 296 equals, again, what if it's chocolate? 534 chocolates plus 296 chocolates, or gummies, or whatever. So we're going to start with what? The ones. 4 ones and 6 ones. Well, that's 10. So now I don't have any ones because I had to move it over to the tens. Now I have 10 and 30, but we can just say 1 plus 3 because we're talking about one group of 10 plus 3 groups of 10 is 4 groups of 10. 4 groups of 10 plus 9 groups of 10 is 13 groups of 10, or 130. What? I can put the 30 there. I gotta put the 100 over here. 100, or just one group of 100 plus 5 groups of 100. That's 6. And 6 and 2 is 8. 830. So you can just say, since we know this is groups of 100, we can just say 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. And I know that I'm talking about 800. 8 groups of 100. 3 groups of 10. And no, 830. Chocolates! Whoa. So that's it. That's how easy it is. If it adds up to more than 10, you put the 1 part under the 1s, and you put the 10 over the 10s. If the 10s adds up to more than 10, then you put the group of 10s part in the 10s place, and you put the 100 over in the 100 column. Just like that. All right. 2nd grade, you're outstanding. See you later.